continue exercising on the amino acid, so you have to make it every day, to be able to memorize every amino acid. So we will start our quiz today. So here is the structure of the amino acid. So we can find there is at in SH in one group. So there is a carbon and there is an SH. So I think it's cysteine, CIS, and C. Correct. Okay, this structures is a carbon and then there is a cyclic aromatic, I mean here. So what do you think? It's not proline, it's phenylalanine because it contains another carbon. So I think phenylalanine and F. Correct. Now this is structure that is contains like phenylalanine, but there is N group. So what do you think? Histidine? Yeah, correct. And we have a carbon and one carbon that is contains CH3, but it's like on the other side. So what do you think? Leucine or isoleucine? No, it's leucine. Correct. This is a proline because it's really small. When it's contain a cyclic structure and there is OH, and remember there is a carbon here. So what do you think? Tyrosine, and remember it's Y here. Okay. Here when there is this is a basic structures, we know that, but when there is a number of the end, this is not lysine. This is what we called it's arginine because it contains R. And here it's amide group, this is amide group. Then I will think about the asparagine and glutamine, but glutamine is longer. So what do you think? I think it's asparagine, and asparagine it's in. Good. Now this is a long, but there's one NH. So what do you think? It's lysine, and remember it's K. Okay. Here is a carboxylic group. So when I see carboxylic group, so I think about the glutamic acid or aspartic acid. Another name, glutamate or aspartate. But it's a tiny thing, so I think it's aspartate D. Correct. Okay, good. Here is okay, it's a good carbon. It's amino acid. It's small, but there is a CH3. So I can say it's glycine because it contains CH3 and it's not valine. It's actually alanine. Correct. Good. Here is a CH3, CH3. If it's until here, so I can say it's valine. But there is another CH3, so I think it's isoleucine. The only structure that is contained two cyclic thing is a tryptophan. And if the another CH3 on the other side it's OH, so what do you think? So we may be confused between the threonine and the serine. But the serine, if there is no CH3, so I think it's serine. Good. Here serine. Okay. This is valine as we explain later. Areolar, I mean. Okay, here is S and then CH3. So what do you think? Methionine. Here is a tiny thing, so I think it's a glycine. Here is amide group, but it's longer, so it's a glutamine, and remember it's a Q. This is also acid, and that's mean, but it's longer, so it's a glutamate, and remember it's E. Okay, so I finished this first part, okay, but I will change the things from name, maybe. Okay, lysine K. So you think what this thing? Histidine, and this thing alanine, and these things tyrosine, and these things proline, and these things lysine. So it's a basic structure. Okay, the other structures, this is tryptophan, this is a proline, this is isoleucine, No. And this is histidine, and this is phenylalanine. So I think this is histidine. What is the structures? So tyrosine is this. Threonine is this. Proline is this. Glycine is this. Tryptophan, I think tryptophan is this. Leucine. They always, I don't know why I'm always confused about the leucine. Remember this structure CH3, like this is leucine. Phenylalanine is this. Good. Methionine is this. Glutamine, amide groups. I'm looking for amide group and longer. So this is a glutamine. Alanine, this one. Valine is this one. Isoleucine, this one. Serine, this one. Cysteine. What do you think? Where is this cysteine? This tiny thing. And asparagine, that's aminamide group, but I'm looking for a tiny one, so this one. Arginine, oh, multiple NH. Asparatate, that means it's acid, so I'm looking for this, but a small one. So this is a glutamate and this is aspartate. Good. Glutamate, the same thing, but it's longer. Okay, we finished this. Thank you so much. Another exercise, maybe by the type. Okay, so tyrosine, what do you think? It's Y. And which one of them? This one. Phenylalanine, it's F in this one. Methionine, it's M in this one. Cysteine, like he make two structures that maybe you're confused with them, okay? Serine is in this structure. Threonine is T in this structure. Glutamine Q and the longer. Asparagine is N and the shorter. Okay, let's play this. Leucine is L, and I'm confusing also with this structure. Alanine A and this. Isoleucine, this and this structure. Valine, it's V in this structure. Glycine, this in this structure. Histidine, H and this structure. Proline, it's this and this structure. Tryptophan, W and this structure. Glutamate, it's E and the longer. Aspartate, D and the shorter. Lysine, what do you think? K or R? No, K. And the lysine is basic. Arginine is also basic, but it's multiple in each. Okay, so I think that this is enough exercises for today. Thank you so much for listening. Hope you are understand anything. Thank you.